welcome to Leuphana College. I wish you great success.
Be curious, be engaged, and try to fight for a better world.
Be a lifelong learner. So education shouldn't stop at the end of university, but you should stay curious and should be willing and able to learn throughout your life. Be curious, stay curious, I would say.
Da sehe ich eigentlich auch den Turning Point, dass Hochschulen wirklich verstehen, dass sie nicht nur Forschung und Lehre machen, sondern auch eine dritte Mission haben, nämlich Beiträge für Gesellschaft, Wirtschaft, Zivilgesellschaft leisten müssen.
We don't make change by changing others. How do we actually be different? It takes consciousness, yeah, and it takes creativity.
Students tell us when graduating that they made friends that last all their studies and that they made connections with those people from very other majors and not from their majors they are in. I think, I hope and I'm convinced that will last for all their studies.
The first time we met, everyone was a bit shy, but I think we really quickly established a nice atmosphere and we got to know each other and met with our academic, and now we are really hard working on our project and having fun while doing it.
Wir sind ja gerade mal 3 Tage drin und trotzdem, also unsere Gruppe, es verstehen sich alle gut. Es ist jetzt nicht irgendwie so, dass jemand sich ausgeschlossen fühlt. Klar, wir haben auch Leute, die nur Englisch sprechen. Und ich denke, ja, dass sich das auch noch in der Zukunft irgendwie so weiterführen wird mit den Freundschaften vor allem.
Ja, ging alles echt schnell. Also wir haben irgendwie alle direkt voll die Connection gehabt und haben auch jetzt schon nach der Uni so abends sowas zusammen gemacht und so. Und das war echt cool. Ja.
It was really nice to have an atmosphere that was so overwhelming. We had great weather, we've had great lighting, and we've also had many people dancing. We've had our flash mobs with our first semester students and our tutors.
Yeah, and I think the tutors are so important, and they did their job so great. They are so cool and nice and welcoming people, and I'm really glad because without them, I don't know how the opening week should work.
That was your Opening Week 2022 Turning Points. And even though this week is over, I hope that you have so many more turning points and times of change during your studies, because that is what makes it all interesting. So thanks for joining and see you on campus.